Okay, guys, I'm gonna put on some nails today. I got the Kiss nails, the fancy collection. I got these from the hair store. I paid $9.98 for them. I bought this glue that I've been seeing on Facebook and TikTok, and I purchased it from Amazon. I think it was like $8, $9, and it comes with this to push the cuticles back. And this is the CurvLife glue, and this is the remover. And this is the glue. Now I heard some great reviews about this glue. I'm gonna try some of their nails soon. And it comes with this little small pink and blue emery board. Um, so it came in this little cute little package. And the directions are here of how to apply the glue and how to remove the nail with the glue remover. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my nails. I normally like to cut my nails really short when I'm wearing fake nails because it helps with my nails not breaking or causing the bed of the nail to break. So I cut them real short before I put on nails. So let me read the directions. And once I get started, I'll come back. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut my nails short. Okay, I done cut them short, and I'm going to use the little small emery board to kind of get the sharpness out of the nail from cutting it. Then I'm going to go across the nail. Rough it up a little bit. I pray that this nail glue works because I want to find a cheaper way to do my nails. I'd rather spend my money on other things than nails because I've had some bad experiences where my nails have not lasted and I had to go and get them fixed and stuff like that after paying $75 to get them done. So then I have to go back in 2 weeks for a fill-in when all I have to do is buy me some nails and put them on. And if you take care of them, you can reuse the nails. So that's a plus. But I did see a lot of cute nails for CurvLife. And I'm going to go on there and order some nails. But what gets me is the shipping, you guys. The shipping is ridiculous. So that's why I went to Amazon and found the gel because I'm like, and like I said, I like to purchase things from the company, but I'm going to try this gel out. So Hopefully it's not a dupe. So that's what I'm doing now, is roughing up the nails so that the adhesive for the glue will stick better. So I think that's pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little cuticle and push my cuticles back. Now I was about to give up and start getting my nails done again, but I said, I got to try this Curve Life and see if that works, because I'm sorry. Now, I could go and get a pedicure and go get my feet done, which I have the equipment to do that as well. So I won't do that too often either. But I just want to find ways where I can cut costs and save money. So me being able to do my own nails will be a plus. Now, both of my daughters, two of my daughters, they actually went to school for nails, so they can do their own nails. But the thing is, they don't live here. So now I'm cleaning the nail to make sure there's no oil on the nail. And get all where I just rough the nails up, make sure I clean that off pretty good. And my nails look much better. My hands look much better when my nails are done. So I be kind of embarrassed because I've had people say, why your nails not done? They know me because they know I normally get my nails done. But I'm trying to save money. And right now, what's going on? So I use this 70% alcohol to clean off the residue of my nails. And like I said, these kiss nails, um, they say ready to wear gel with the adhesive tabs, but I don't like the adhesive tab. So, and this will be my first time wearing a bubble gum color. So I'm going to open this, pick out the size of each nail. And then once I start, oops, done wasted already. Once I start gluing the nails on, I will come back. But let me go ahead and read the directions. It says the first step is to push the cuticles back, which I did, buff out the nails, which I did, remove any oil, which I did with the alcohol. And it say apply the glue at the fake nail, take an appropriate amount of glue and rotate it evenly distributed. Once you do that, it say slip the fake nail a few times. That means back and forth to make sure that your nail bed is completely covered with the glue. And then it say press for 20 seconds and I shall be done, to make sure there's no air bubbles. So I'm gonna get started, and then I'm gonna come back and let once I pick out the nails, the different size for each nail, I'll come and show you the first nail that I put on, which I normally start with my thumbs first. So stand by. Okay, guys. So I laid out the nails that I'm gonna be using. I tried them on each nail. So let's get started and see how this is gonna work out. So once I start, let me try one nail first, and then I'll come back and show you the process. Okay, guys, I'm taking a pea size and putting it on the nail. What size is this nail? 5. And this one is a 5. Okay. Take a pea size. Put it on the nail. Rub it back and forth on the nail to saturate the nail, as it say. Maybe I use too much, but then squeeze it on the nail. It's working, you guys. So I'm going to come back after I do all the nails and let you see the final result. Let's do one more. Let's do one more before we go to see the final results. Let's do one more. Pea size. And rub it back and forth to saturate the nail bed. And you take it, push it into the nail bed, and hold it. Hold it. Oh, hope this ain't crooked. Hold it, hold it, hold it. This one looks crooked. Oh, goodness. There we go. I was able to pull that one off. So let's try this one more time, you guys. Like I said, I'm new to this. Trying this stuff for the first time. I'm just gonna put a dab on my nail bed. And go in, make sure I saturate the nail. And make sure I get up under the nail bed. And make sure it's straight. Because this will be the second one that I've put on that was not straight. So this is straight. Clean it up a little bit. Okay, that looks much better. So what I'm going to do is I got these on. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest and I'll come back. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. So this CurvLife is good. These nails are not going anywhere, you guys. So tell me what you think. I really like them. And this is my first time wearing this bubblegum color. So I think they turned out really nice. So put it down in the comments of what you think. And I'm going to order some more of this CurvLife glue. But the only thing is the nails are flimsy. I got them from the hair store. And I think for $10, they should be more durable. They seem like they'll probably break on their own without me taking them off. But other than that, I'm liking it. I'm loving the color. So tell me what you think about it. Okay, guys, I put a clear coat on the nails. So I'm just giving you a better view of the nails. I really like it. That bubblegum color. So very durable. I'm really liking it. So tell me if you guys like the nail color. and tell me what I could do better. But like I said, these are some nails from the hair store. And but other than that, I think they turned out pretty good. Once I put the clear coat on them, they didn't look as cheap and fake like I didn't get them done. So I think that looks a lot better. Tell me what you think.